everyone, my name is Danielle and welcome to another episode of Board Game Baked. This is a fun show where we make board game themed pieces and components from some of your favorite games. This week we're going to take a suggestion from my mother-in-law and we're going to make Mahjong tiles. Mahjong is a game that was developed in China and has since spread throughout the world. It's a strategy-based tile game. You generally play with 4 people and 144 tiles. We're going to make an almond cookie, which will be similar to if you go to a Chinese restaurant and they give you the circular cookies with a little almond in the middle. We're just going to expand on that recipe to make a giant bar cookie and then cut it up into the shape of the Mahjong tiles. You could decorate them to look just like the tiles from the game. With some of the extra tiles, we're also going to decorate them with some Christmas themed things, so you could either give the tiles to someone for Christmas, or you could just make the recipe and decorate them with Christmas themes too. Let's get started.
To begin making your almond cookie bars, you need 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup unsalted butter, chilled and cut into cubes, 1 1/3 cups almond flour, 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon almond extract, a pinch of salt, a ½ teaspoon baking soda. To start making the dough, put the almond flour, butter, and salt in a bowl and mix for about 3 minutes. The mixture will probably look chunky instead of smooth. While this is mixing, combine your flour, sugar, and baking soda in a little bowl and mix with a whisk. Back to your stand mixer. Add your egg and almond extract. Give a quick mix until everything is incorporated. Add all the ingredients in your little bowl to the stand mixer. For this recipe, you can even just add all the mixture at once. You want to mix until it's just combined. Here's where I deviate from the usual Chinese almond cookies. Spray a 9x13 inch pan with Pam so the cookies don't stick. I have a baking dish with square corners, so I use that to try and get the most pieces. I do not think this truly helped me at all, so any 9x13 inch pan should work. You want to press the dough into the corners, and I attempted to flatten the dough, which is also probably not necessary. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. The edges should get golden and the center should look cooked. Remove the pan from the oven and let them cool completely in the pan before attempting to remove the batch. To remove the cookies, take a knife and go around the edge of the cookies. I held a large cutting board under, flipped, and prayed that the cookies came out as one big sheet. Success! My mother-in-law lent me some Mahjong tiles. I used the tile as a guide to cutting out the tiles. It mostly worked. Goal is to have them roughly the same size and small rectangles. To decorate the cookies, you need some white royal icing with flooding consistency and a set of Wilton's edible markers. I at least like to think I have the patience, or if I'm being honest, the skill, to do all the tiny lines on the cookie with royal icing. I found a picture with a complete Mahjong style line. I start with the directional north, south, east, and west tiles. I apologize that you're mainly getting a view of my hand. I hope to acquire an overhead camera so that there's a smaller chance that this will happen in the future. I went through decorating the different sets of tiles. It was convenient that blue, red, green, and yellow were the only colors used on the tiles and come in the base bulletin marker pack. Apologize for these symbols. My lines are not exact, and I'm sure there's a correct order to do the lines that I'm not following. In case you can't tell, I like almond flavor cookies. These are perfect to make when you have people who cannot have chocolate. After I completed one set, note you would need to make 4 times this amount of cookies for a full game. I used some of the edges to make some Christmas themed cookies.
Voila! Our Mahjong tiles and quality tiles are complete, and I think they look delicious. I've been smelling the almond scent for hours, and I'm so ready to try one. Thanks for watching another episode of Board Game Bakes. Please like, comment, and subscribe below. If you know any people or any relatives who may not even know YouTube or are interested in Mahjong or other games, please show them the video. If you have any suggestions for future things to show on the channel too, comment below. Keep playing games and keep them sweet. Time to try one. I love almond flavor. This is a good amount. It has almond flour and almond extract, so it has a super strong almond flavor, and it's delicious. Bye!